Hey friends, I'm Catherine, and yesterday I showed you the making of this double-sided pour. I love this side particularly, but this side's really great too. They are entirely different from one another, and I am very pleased with how it turned out. But I want to finish it. I feel like just a blob in the center, if I put a frame around it, is not good enough. So I want to finish it off. So I've got a bit of the purple paint that I mixed up the other day, and I've put it in a henna squeeze bottle. And I'm just gonna take some doodles to it. Let's see. Let's just doodle it out. Let's see. Maybe down that way, and then maybe like that, and then yeah, and then I just have to reverse it and do the same thing on the opposite side. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so it started right there, brought it down, curled it away, and then took the next one out and curled it around, and then brought a separate line to there, and then a dot. Okay, okay, nice. I like it. Let's maybe bring out a triangle down the side. Down each side, and then maybe a dot. Just making it up as I go. There's no need to be perfect or exact, although those kind of combined, which is a little disappointing. Maybe I'll come back through with a toothpick and see if I can't separate them out a little bit further in a little bit once it settles. Let's see. How about something hanging down in this direction? Yeah, that's all right. All right, curl it out and away, and then on the side of the curl. Okay. And then maybe a small triangle down there, leading down with dots. Ooh, that's really just all spreading and combining. That's okay. It will all work out, or it won't. Whatever happens. Let's put a dot on the point of each of those. And then maybe curl that into an S so that I bring it out at edges. That could be fun. Curl that into an S. Let's just, let's just combine those two. Just a little bit, just to even it out, and then it'll be fine. And then maybe some really light, if I can manage a light touch, some light loops. That's not great. Nope, those are going to fill in. That's okay. We'll just keep on with our mirror. Keep mirroring it. And we need to bring this out, but let's bring it out spiky. Something like that, sort of. So that it has its own points to work off of. Okay, that could be fun. And well, that's spreading out and not giving me the definition I was hoping for with this, but that's all right. It will be what it will be. And I should have mixed this thicker. If I had mixed my paint thicker, it wouldn't be doing this. Maybe. I don't know. We're working on it. We're figuring it out as we go. It'll be an adventure. Okay. And maybe just some curves like that underneath there. That's awfully fun. There we go. Ooh, those are filling in. That's okay. It'll be what it'll be. Go like that. And I think that might be it. That I like. Maybe a little bit more right down here at the bottom. Yeah. But that I think is fun, and that I think I can put in a frame without any problems or anyone going, why did you frame that blob? It's artsy now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know. I am always glad to hear from you. And I put up new things most days. So if you're ever interested in seeing something new, come and stop on by. And if you like the things that I do, remember to subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.